Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an HTML file. I'll be using Visual Studio Code. It's a free text editor, but you can use any other text editor you like. Search for Visual Studio Code in your browser. Download the application and install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Let's create a folder to contain all our HTML files. This is where we'll store our web page and all its elements. Open Visual Studio Code. Click on File, then on New File. You can name your file whatever you want, but index.html is a good practice if it's the main page of your website. Add .html to the file name. This tells your computer that it's an HTML file. Write the content of your web page. For example, you can start with Hello World. Save your file. Navigate to the folder you created. Click on the HTML file you just saved, and voila, your web page will open in your default browser.